Are you looking for a compact Bluetooth speaker, Buffalo battery, powerful sound and absolute waterproof? Anker Soundcore 2 is the perfect choice for you. With modern Bluetooth 5.0 technology, vivid 12W stereo power, BassUp enhances powerful bass. The product brings the ultimate music experience whether you are at home, outdoors, or when traveling. IPX7 waterproof standard allows you to use it safely in the bathroom, swimming pool, or in light rain. 24-hour battery allows you to enjoy music all day long, without worrying about recharging. In addition, the wireless stereo pairing feature allows you to connect two Soundcore 2 speakers to expand the sound space extremely impressively. Key benefit summary, SEO-focused keywords. Genuine Anker Bluetooth speaker. 12W sound, powerful bass. Bluetooth 5.0 super stable connection. IPX7 waterproof, safe for bathing, going to the beach. 24-hour battery, play music without interruption. Compact design, easy to carry when traveling. Suitable for home, bathroom, outdoor, picnic, travel, tech gift. Anker Soundcore 2, compact, powerful, unlimited space. Please click here, thank you.